This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial about how to start affiliate marketing for complete beginners.
And in this video, I'm going to show you how I make money with affiliate marketing.
The first thing that you need to understand is that people are buying things every single day. And if you can put yourself between the company and the buyer, you can make a commission. The second concept to understand is what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products.
And the global affiliate marketing industry is worth over $17 billion.
Now, let me show you a website that you may know.
If you go to Amazon.com and scroll down and click on Become an Affiliate, you can recommend products and earn commissions from Amazon. For example, if you search on YouTube best iPads for students, I'm going to click on this video. So this person is doing a review about iPads, and I'm going to scroll down and check the description. These are affiliate links. I'm going to click on the first one. And if I click again on this button, you can see on the screen that this is an Amazon page.
And if I buy that iPad from that page, that person is going to make a commission. As you can see, as an affiliate marketer, you can promote physical products. But I rather to promote digital products because I can make 50 or 75% commissions per sale.
Because Amazon pays between 1 and 20%. And it depends on the product category.
Okay, but how can we start affiliate marketing if you are a complete beginner? I'm going to give you all the steps in this video. First step, you need to find and choose a niche. And the best niches to choose are the make money online, relationship, and health and fitness. The second step is to find a product to promote. And it's important for you to know that it's better to promote high-ticket products because you can make $500 or more per sale.
To find high-ticket products to promote, you can go to Google and write high-ticket products for make money online or for relationship or health and fitness. Let me show you this website. The name is dstore24. And you can find many products to promote here for animals and pets, betting systems, business and investment, dance music, and many more things. I'm going to show you the product that I promote. The name is Freedom Accelerator.
This is a high-ticket product for the make money online niche. And I promote this training because it has all the information about how to start affiliate marketing from complete scratch. How to use short-form videos, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and also YouTube. And I use that knowledge to grow my YouTube channel
to 1,038 subscribers.
Remember that it's better to promote something that you believe in.
Okay, we're going to promote this product and I'm going to show you a better way to get your affiliate links. I'm going to click on affiliate support page and I'm going to access the affiliate portal through this button. This is my affiliate dashboard, and as you can see, these are my clicks, referrals, customers, and unpaid earnings. They usually pay 50% commission, but for this month I have 70%. The thing that I want to show you is that these are my affiliate links. And if someone buys the training from any of these links, I can make a commission.
Now, the way to promote this high-ticket product is through a challenge.
So the link that I need to promote is the 72-hour challenge opt-in page. Let me show you the products. This is the 72-hour challenge. I'm going to click, and these are the lessons from the challenge. Now I'm going to click on Freedom Accelerator, and these are the lessons of the high-ticket product.
So we have the link. The next step is to build a 24/7 sales system.
I send traffic to this page to collect a name and an email. This is called an opt-in page. And it has a title, information, a picture, and a button. And also it has my own photo because I want people to know that I'm promoting this product. Then people will get access to this page. This is called the bridge page, and it has a video in which I'm explaining the product, and I have here a button.
And when people click that button, they will go to my affiliate offer, and if they buy, I can make a commission. But more importantly, I have the email because people don't buy at the first interaction, and it's important to do a follow-up through email marketing. And this system works 24/7. I just need to send traffic using social media. And if you want to copy and paste the same system, I'm going to put my link in the description so you can get access to the 72-hour challenge and Freedom Accelerator.
Inside of Freedom Accelerator, they have done for you funnels to copy and paste. And this is the funnel that I use to collect emails.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe, and God bless.